Are you tired of working for someone else? Dreading Monday mornings? What if you could build a business from what you already know and sell it over and over again, even while you sleep? So in today's video, we're going to cover exactly how to make that happen. In 2022, consumers spent over $33 billion on digital goods. And this number will continue to grow over the next 2 years. That's because people crave fast, accessible knowledge, and digital goods have some pretty big advantages. 1. Etsy templates. Think resume layouts, wedding invites, budget planners, fonts, graphics. Imagine creating weekly planners, business dashboards, content calendars. The possibilities are endless. Why Notion? Well, it's the productivity app Gen Z lives on. And think about it. If you're spending all day in front of a screen anyway, wouldn't it be nice to create something tangible instead of scrolling endlessly through social media? If you've been feeling stuck or unfulfilled in your current job, maybe it's time to consider a career shift. $3 billion in 2025. And this trend is unslowing down anytime soon. This means the potential for growth and income is enormous. Plus, with no inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches, your profit margins are sky high. But it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build a thriving digital product business. The journey to building your digital product empire starts with a single step. We cover everything from identifying your niche to creating your first product and driving traffic to your offerings. All you need is the desire to learn and the willingness to put in the effort. So grab a notebook, settle in, and get ready to discover how to turn your knowledge into income. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking for a side hustle or a professional wanting to monetize your expertise, this video will provide you with the tools and inspiration you need to succeed. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling. However, the hard work pays off. Not only do you have the satisfaction of creating valuable resources for others, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay informed. We've got new videos coming out regularly, each packed with valuable insights and actionable tips to help you on your digital product journey. But you also gain the freedom to earn income on your own terms. Now, it's your turn to join us in the comments. Tell us about a skill you could turn into a digital product. And don't forget to download your free digital product starter guide. We'll include the link in the description below. It's full of insider tips and resources to help you hit the ground running. Imagine waking up every day and genuinely looking forward to work, feeling excited to tackle each day, knowing that you're in control. She spends countless hours creating engaging lesson plans and supplemental materials. He sees the growing interest in this field and decides to create a step-by-step guide on how to sell AI art online. He uses Gumroad to host his course and shares his insights on everything from generating unique artwork to marketing and monetizing your skills. His course was an instant hit, and in just 3 months, he earned $18,000 in revenue. His top-selling item is an $18 guide titled How to Make Money Selling AI Art. But she wanted more. So she decided to create and sell Notion templates inspired by her own resources. She listed them on Etsy, set her own price, and within weeks started making sales. With every purchase, she gets paid automatically, and she can spend her earnings on personal projects or even saving for a dream vacation. Her top-selling item is a $12 template called Time Blocking for Students, which has racked up over 2,300 sales. Over the past year, Sarah has made $60,000 from her Notion templates. That's the kind of fulfillment that comes with building a business based on your passions and expertise. And the best part? It's entirely possible through digital products. We'll share exact templates and designs used in this video so you can check them out. People buy these daily on Etsy, and all you need is a basic understanding of graphic design. Have you ever thought about sharing your expertise with the world? Think custom ChatGPT prompts, AI guides, automation toolkits for busy entrepreneurs. For example, 50 AI prompts to market your Etsy store. The possibilities are really endless here. As AI continues to grow, so will the demand for these types of products. Well, Gumroad makes it easy. Create a short video tutorial or how-to guide and share your knowledge with eager learners. Think cooking tutorials, fitness tips, language lessons, DIY guides. There are no complicated tech skills required. It's just you and your know-how. And if you're still unsure about launching a full-fledged online course, this is a great place to start. Just pick a topic you're passionate about, film a short and informative video, upload it to Gumroad, and voila. Bonus tip: aim for practicality. Teach people a quick win. Something like how I got 1K followers on LinkedIn in 30 days. Instant value. You can learn the ins and outs of graphic design through numerous free tutorials on YouTube or Skillshare. All you need are user-friendly design tools like Canvas or Adobe Illustrator, and a willingness to learn. First, there are no shipping costs. Unlike physical products, you can deliver digital files instantly via email or download links. Second, you don't need to worry about inventory storage fees, minimum order quantities, or anything like that. Third, digital goods have nearly 100% profit margins. If you sell a digital download for $10, you keep $10. Now compare that to physical products, which have hefty shipping, production, and labor costs. Plus, once you create a digital asset, it's a set-and-forget stream of income. You can update it every now and then, but you don't have to keep making more and more products. And stick around to the end, because we'll be sharing real-life case studies from people who have done this already and how you can too. Teachers, for example, they already make and use resources every day. But what if you took those resources and turned them into templates or mini-courses? It's not only helpful for other teachers, but also a great source of passive income. Like Notion Planner. For instance, she created and sells productivity templates and weekly planners for teachers. And guess what? She makes over $50,000 a year on Etsy alone. Just from selling 43 items, Jay, a digital artist, saw the rise of AI art and created a $15 Gumroad course titled How to Make Money Selling AI Art. In 3 months, he earned $18,000 in revenue. Sarah is a part-time teacher who wanted to make extra income on the side. So she created 27 Notion templates for time blocking, task management, and student progress tracking. And guess how much she made last year? $60,000. Again, all from selling digital downloads. And both of these creators started while working full-time jobs. Teachers, designers, stay-at-home parents, they're earning 6 figures selling simple digital downloads, with no inventory, no staff, and no boss. It's the new era of making money online. But here's the thing. While anyone can sell digital products, very few people will take this seriously enough to replace their 9-to-5 jobs. But first, I want to show you why digital products will continue to work in 2025. Take a look at this chart. Now, let's talk about what you can actually sell. And if you're feeling intimidated, don't worry. This isn't rocket science. Okay, so what can you actually sell? Let's break it down. Number 2. Notion Planners. Notion is the productivity app Gen Z lives on, and productivity-related templates are a hot commodity. 3. Gumroad mini courses. Now here's a fun one. Number 4. AI-powered tutorial packs. This is the latest addition to the digital product space, and it's where technology meets teaching. Okay, so let's talk numbers. How much money can you actually make? Think about it. In a recent report by Statista, they found that the worldwide revenue generated from digital products reached 111. Let's take a closer look at some real-world examples. Meet Sarah, a 27-year-old teacher who loves helping students succeed. Now, let's meet Jake, a 32-year-old digital artist who's always been fascinated by AI art. These success stories are not just inspiring, they're also proof that anyone can do it. So, if you're ready to take the leap and explore the world of digital products, we encourage you to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights and tips. In the next section, we'll dive into the exact steps you need to take to start your own digital product business. Remember, You don't need to have a huge following or tech skills to get started, and that's just the beginning. There are many more exciting updates in store for our channel. If you've watched until now, thank you for being a loyal viewer. Also, check out the links below for additional resources that can boost your digital product game even further.